Fishy friends, welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales. Today we're going to cook a very quick, easy, delicious seafood meal with canned sardines. We will have oven roasted eggplant, then the warm sardines, mint, hazelnuts, pistachio, olive oil and pomegranate. So first we slice the eggplant. So I slice it in half centimeter slices. Okay, here we go. We give it a bit of olive oil. Salt and pepper. An oven tray. Baking paper. So the oil is now underneath. A bit of extra olive oil. So I've preheated the oven on 220 degrees Celsius. I'll have it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So meanwhile, I roughly chop the hazelnuts, roughly cut pistachio. So I have these in a dry frying pan. I pan fry these on medium heat until they're just coloring. Meanwhile, I have the beautiful sardines, Cornish sardines. If you buy sardines, canned sardines, make sure they're MSC certified. I'll have these on an oven tray because I will heat them up for during like 1-2 minutes until they're just a bit warm. It's really nice on the eggplant. Okay. So the nuts right here, hazelnuts, pistachio. Okay, so we are now 17-18 minutes later and look at this. Beautiful eggplant. So I switch off the oven, but because of the warmth, the heat still in, this will heat up the sardines. Okay. Okay, I take out the sardines now. They were in maybe just 1 minute, but it's perfect. Sardines. A bit of the roasted nuts, pistachio and hazelnut. A bit of sweetness, pomegranate, some mint. Roughly cut it. Some lemon juice. Beautiful. Olive oil. Some molten sea salt. Black pepper. Beautiful. Oven roasted eggplant and sardines. I love the colors. Smells great. So I have the sardines with the eggplant. It's so rich. This oily sardines with the eggplant, then the crunchiness of the nuts, the hazelnuts and the pistachio, a bit sweetness of the pomegranate, and then we have the acidity of the lemon, olive oil. Well, it's so good and it's so quick, it's so easy to make, but above all, it's simply gorgeous. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the box below, and hope to see you soon for another video on Bart's Fish Tales.